In this video series, we learn conditional statements. We'll use a lot in Python programming. We cover the else and the leaf. We go over conditional expression. We cover one-liners and then pass statement. In the last video of this playlist, put together all concepts you learn in a real program. Okay, let's begin by if statement. Every day you use conditional statement. Every time you say something with if word in that. Might say something like, if I have free hour, I will watch some Python videos. If I eat healthy during week, I can eat ice cream or cake in Sunday. When we new to programming, use sequential execution. This is where commands simply run one after another. What if we need more flexibility? Imagine items in a screen. Maybe you don't want to do all these things every day. Maybe you want to do these on certain days. And that's where flow control and conditional statements comes in. No our days or weeks are look like this. If it is a weekday, I eat 2 cups of coffee. If I have 3 hours, I get through an hour of training videos. I watch an episode of Money Heist. And if I ate healthy all week and it is Sunday, I eat cake or ice cream. So you can see this lends you some flexibility in the structure of your routine, or in our case, on program. Here's the syntax for our if statement. Start with if word, then we have an expression to evaluate it true or false. Expression followed by colon. And then Python will run a statement when expression evaluates to true. Statements are indented. This indentation is very important. It indicates everything that you want to run if expression evaluates to true. So, in this example, when program hit this if statement followed that variable contains true or false boolean value. If it contains true, then our program runs these functions. If it is false, nothing will happen. Either way, the program moves on to the next statement. How we work about couple example. Okay, 2 example for you. Define 2 variables a and b. A equals to 10, b equals to 3. Now if statement. If a greater than b, remember need a colon. Console auto indents for me. Let's do this. We print something. So what should happen? If a greater than b, these print statements will run. Run the code. You see the result. Next example. Sports list equals bracket will indicate our list. Baseball, hockey, football. Now let's set up our if statement to check if something exists in our list. If football in a sports list, let's print something out. So what you think? What will expression evaluates to? There it is. So if our statement checked was football is in the list? Yes, that's true. So print yes, it's a sport.